Hi, today I'm running Huawei MatePad SE and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the control panel, and just to add here some options or remove some of them, or just if you want to change the positions of the icons here, you should click to this edit icon, click to edit swatches, and just to add here some options. For example, the camera one, just you should hold the icon and drag it to this up section by this way. If you want to remove them from here, just hold by the same way the icons and drag them to this down section. To change the positions of the swatches here, by the same way hold the icon and drag it, then just tap to done to save the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.